It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Casemate protective case in Twinkle. Now, I think you can tell why it's called Twinkle because it is super duper magnificently sparkly. You guys, when the light hits this just so, it really does sparkle up. I love the fact that this case provides 10-foot drop test protection. That's huge because we know our iPhones are an investment already. The buttons are super responsive. They're actually covered in like a silver detail, but these respond very well. And it has it on the power as well. And then of course you have access to that important opening for charging and your speakers. Now, one thing I do want to note as well is on each corner, it has like a little protrusion that keeps the phone safe when you drop it face down. So see how these kind of come up like that? So if you drop it like this, it's gonna give a little distance to protect your phone. Let me show it to you on. So Casemate cases are super easy to install. They just pop right in, just like so. And then there you have it. That's the case on my phone, and it's just gorgeous. I love that sparkle. And then you have that protection all the way around. But just enjoy that for a minute. Gorgeous. You guys, if you're thinking about this case, I wouldn't think anymore. I'd buy it. You're gonna love it, because I sure do. That's my point of view.